Yeah, mtshela angene ehlalela lesitulo secela. Angene. Amshayishole ke. Ishole futhi. Yebo bathi extra.
Yeah, Salman.
Yeah. Salman nifa. Okay, ngamela lapho ne. Because ngesikhathi senzi half past
vele 8.
Okay, ngahlala ngala 19.
Yeah.
Half past siyangena ne. Yeah, half past siyangena. Ubona vele usenzela lamhlabeni sicela kakhulu mfana.
Lipi.
0818054237 kumsakazo weBizarre FM 4.1 pumping beat of eGasi kuna King B ehlelweni lakho 0818054237 ungasithola khona enkundleni tethu texhumana uyasifonela usibhalela iWhatsApp yasitshela ukuthi ngikuphi lokucabanga ebholweni letinyawo sesikhulume ngetinvo letinyenti ngendlela lesimanga Ciceshi Hugo Bruce Danny Jordan uthi akakasayini inkontileka yeminyaka lodwa ukwade ugane elinwabo enkundleni texhumana makakhuluma nalabanye boza kwethu Kaizer Chiefs Toyota Cup nebayidlalako kusasa kunyendele kumele sikubone umceceshi Da Cruz uthi yena Thabo Cele akekho kumaplan akhe iqembu leKaizer Chiefs babuya kuyosayina umdlali lomusha lobe adlala lapha esiswini uMtasa Singa ubuye lapha eTanzania umdlali lo udlalela iqembu leKaizer Chiefs bekaqhamuke ngelilone so permanent deal sikhuluma ngayo Khanyisa Mayo uthini wakho Ntwari bamthethe bamnikisa la eMpumalanga icenjini leKruger United njenga goalkeeper wabo bekasolo akhona nguphi lokunye lofuna kuva akuso sports Currie Cup iyachubeka imidlalo sekujelile sasekunemidlalo lokhona Currie Cup Toyota Cheetahs badlala nelicembu leMasharks balapha indawo eBloemfontein Stadium 19 ku21 gesa nawe ukuthi ngiliphi lihamba phambili lokusho kona ukuthi eMasharks agijima phambili ngemaphuzu lamabili solo siyachubeka ngetinhlelo usibamba noma nguphi la ufuna kusibamba khona ngaphandle komsakazo weBizarre FM 4.1 the pumping beat of eGasi asikho stage sakho lesikhulu ungahle usilalele special masifika la ku Sport Complex babejobe asicale ngawe makhakula mina ngifuna understand lebantu emakhaya bahleli bafuna understand especially nifika njani kule partnership yenu nobabili
Okay, esizwathi ukuthi next month inyanga yabo manje.
Yeah,
so uye wang approacha sesimelo kuhle. Onakang approacha then wacela ukuthi utoba ne hiking. Ngizama ukuthi sisebenzisane at least sikhona ukuthi ni offer I self defense.
Okay.
Yeah, ngase sicale lapho ke. Sayibona ukuthi ibalekile. Naye nazama ukuthi ndi research post ebantwini watholakala ukuthi bayijabule nami nang-advertise athi hayi man abantu bayayijabulela
sesi umthola njani babejobe ngiyathi ukuthi it's a popular one it's a famous young man nomdzala losokhulile but the experience lanayo ngalendlela umdzinga ngakanani
hiking kakhulu like njoba shilo ukuthi inyanga yabafati and we have EGPV in South Africa that's rising so I thought ukuthi nami njoba ngimfight leng hike abo it's very important ukuthi nami ngathi self defense ukuthi ilayekela njoba ngihike and babutosifundisa kabanzi ukuthi ngoba sihike ngitigota njengoba sikhuphuka inzawo so lesigodo leso kutoba ngine mechanism ukuthi uvikela from a lot of stuff so I thought ukuthi athini ngahlangana babe lo wathi kabanzi nge self defense and a lot of knowledge of martial arts and taekwondo nami ngathi ngabanzi ngokugibela inzawo so kuhlanganisa letinto leti is a beautiful thing so this is the product lesiletha kubantu bethu
ngovukhuluma masicala iconservation yami nini nawo uthi uma na hike utshela abantu kabanzi ngemakhonjwa utshela abantu kabanzi ngetilwane tasedle batshela ngaleti hlahla ukuthi tihlahla letamanjani the experience ithatha kuphi
Le experience is self-experience.
Yeah.
Ati umuntu ngeke uhlale endlini ungakhoni if awukhona ama-opportunities ukuya esikoleni ngakhona ukuthi ufundisa yourself.
Yeah.
So I go to Barberton Tourism museum ngiyofunda ukuthi kahle kahle imlando yalapha Barberton ihamba njani.
Yeah.
So every time I learn museum ngiye ku-tourism ngiyofunda ngabanzi ngale tinto abantu abahike ngiyabafundisa ngithi okay yabona lokhu nalokhu kunjalo kuhamba so that's how I inform the community about a lot of things that happening lapha eBarberton Makhonja Mountain. So I'm not qualified, but knowledge is everywhere. You can get it anywhere. So that's the knowledge that I give to people into them.
So uqale nini ekhaya?
10 years ago, 2013.
Yeah.
That's how long I've been hiking. Various groups, but nyalo sengicale yami organization, Melanin Warrior Wellness and Adventure Club.
Yini le yakubanga waqala le nto ukuthi ufuna ekhaya i-support ingakanani ekhaya?
Mental
From your
wellness,
friends. Yeah.
mental wellness kakhulu because I went through a very dark phase. You know, all of us through COVID went through a whole dark phase,
Yes.
and hiking for me, going to nature has always been healing.
Okay.
And kuhlangana ne-nature, usuke emsindweni waselokishini and going to nature is very powerful. And you just taking a walk nje uye ngaphandle iyakusiza kakhulu. So that's how I started my hiking journey alone. Ngihike nemndeni wami, ngaqala ngihike nebangani bami, and then that's where sesila manje.
So uma bakubona abantu bakuthini kuhlangana nawe endleleni ngiyakubona baku-approach kanjani? Ngifuna le nto yoku-approach baku-approach kanjani abantu uma bakubona bakhuluma nawe njani because you know uma ucala something nale nto ukuthi lo munye umuntu uyochamuka ngalenye angle bafike bakhulume njani nawe?
Mina bafika kimi bathi kanonela itinto tebelungu togibela inzaba hiking. Yeah, sengithi no, asindebelungu into yethu. We need to go back to our own roots. So that's what I tell the people. But no, this is something that if ungatithola use ku-nature, uyakhona nawe ukuxhumana. So I just tell people ukuthi uma ufuna hike sigibele inzaba, we follow the safety protocols and we do it.
Baba Jobe, tshela abantu kafishane bakhona abantu labangazange balalele inkulumo yakho ngaleli langa ufika la kumsakazo wePCRFM in 3 minutes. Ngicela ungitshelele abantu ukuthi wayiqala nini taekwondo, ubiyaphi ne-taekwondo, uphume waphi ama-position ku-taekwondo, ufisa kuya kuphi ku-taekwondo?
Okay. I started martial art when 9 years.
Yeah.
That was 1984.
Yeah.
When apartheid was still on its highest peak.
Okay.
Yeah, so luckily i-teacher yami yokuqala le yangitrainer bekungubabe Simon Shabalala.
Okay.
Yeah, babe Simon Shabalala bamati kakhulu kaMsogwaba. Wakompita ngo-1976 nema-giant ngo-1976 eDurban eShiwan.
Yeah.
Madoda lafana nabo Raymond Mkhize, Big Boy Shangase, guys who were jumping cars, imoto igijima 120 speed. As well a flying sidekick. People who were breaking bricks. My teacher beat them in 1976. The Babylon trainer for the period of 16 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, one trainer from there. I best to there one trainer master. Even a first degree black belt, I told about Simon Gel.
Yeah.
Then I proceeded to other instructors. I told my Korean teachers from 2000. I teach a lot of Korean teachers from South Korea. Yeah, one. Then in 2013, I was elected to represent the South Africa World Championship level, say Coventry City, Skydome Arena, UK. Then attracted 3,000 fighters from all over the world and 12,000 spectators. So I computer go black belt division, I computer go breaking, break on my board. Na computer go fighting, na computer na go demonstration in my patterns. Then I told a bronze medal for fighting. So I was regarded as one of the best in the world. And after logo, I was saying a profile of my world magazines. The fan name American Masters Martial Art magazine. The owner of Cynthia Rothrock, another legend of martial art. Yeah. Then I go Black Belt magazine. Which is a world magazine. Invite twice to Hall of Fame, Atlanta City, United States of America. But regarded as one of the best martial artists in the world. So that's my history.
Ngenhlanhla sijoyina no-coach Stocky, one of the coaches lesinabo khona la ekhaya eBarberton, ucecesha lelinye ilicembu balibita ngaChize. Coach, asakwamukela kumsakazo we-BCRFM.
King B, kuhlale kwinto kodwa mina kethi ukukhuluma nawe. Ngithanda kubingelela ama-guest. Ngoba nami sengirigada ngathi angiseyigest.
Uthi uyafika la ngaphandle uthola kunebantu baselayinini, uyangena ukhanza kunebantu baselayinini, which means the biggest show lesinayo lo mhla icale nga5:30 kacala nyalo. Sicelile ukuthi sicela abaphasi bas-extendele this show today from 5:30 to 7 o'clock because wonke umuntu lokhona lo ngumhlalo waseNingizimu Afrika, especially eMpumalanga eHlanzeni, sifuna bonke kubanetisa with a short period of time. Sitshele kabantu kunemidlalo leyo bayikhona kusasa lapha eBandla Bantu Stadium. Elicembu leni is one of the teams lelingawina umdlalo leniyodlala i-under 18 leniyodlala lapha eNdance